changed upgraded the Google Meet. Now, yesterday onwards, teacher only host, I think so. Okay, sir. Thank you. Record also started. Now you will get like this. A11, M2, so on, MN. Then this what we will have. Y1, Y2, Y3, so on, Yn. So, if they are given a bilinear form is what I can change into this. One you can write in row matrix, one is column matrix. Correct? This way they tell actually x dash ay. But you can see x1, y1 means what? This will stands with a11 coefficient. 1, 2 means what? That will stands with 1, 2, a12 place like that actually. This is called bilinear form. Two linears. Note down if you want, copy down. Copy down, sir. These all are plus continuation. This is one big form actually. This is matrix form. Copied. So, how many rows are there? That much of x's you can take. How many columns are there? That much of y's you can take.
Sir,
Yes.
can you please read the second line?
Which is plus. 1 1 x1 y1 1 2 x1 y2 dash dash a 1 n x1 yn so on. Then last is what a m1 m1. That's what in position of mth row first column xm y1 a m1 2 m comma 2 m2 then mn so on. Then this you can take x1 x2 x3 x3 xm m columns actually single row. This is what mn row order. Order is m by n. This is y1 y2 n. N rows you can take. Copy down. While seeing the problem, you will understand. Just I will use small example that you will understand. Just blend, copy down. Don't worry. Pranav Yelango is there. 80, number 80 somebody. Pranav Yelango. He left. Raise the hand. Where are you? Sir, last class you are the host. You can make me honor. I will get the video. There are three this is details. You can click me what there are three vertical dots. Just you can share option will come in share option. You can put my mail ID. Made it Warner or editor. I can download. Okay, yeah. If you have any problem, just call me. I will help you. That I have that video. I'm not able to upload because I'm not able to download. If you give permission, I can do. Okay, Pranav. Okay, now share above. Find the matrix of the bilinear form. Find the two x1 y1 plus x1 y3 minus 2x2 y1 plus 6x2 y2 minus x2 y3. X highest suffix is, what is the highest suffix, sir? X?
2.
Hey, both are same given around. Wait. It's wrong. 2. Y2. What is X highest suffix? Here actually, what is the order of the matrix? Can you explain? Can you guess actually?
The third or three.
Huh?
Order is 3.
No, third order.
Say 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
So it's not 3 by 3.
No. How can you say 3 by 3? 2 by 3. X is 2 only. X1, X2 is there. X1, X2 is there. Then Y1, Y2, Y3. Correct or not? So 2 rows,
Yes, sir.
3 columns. Actually, this is from matrix to, if you want to change actually. This is just I'm giving. Now from this, what you will get? 2 by 3 means what? 2 rows, 3 columns. A11. 1 x1 y1 is what actually A11. Then A12 is there here. A12 is there. X1, Y2 coefficient is there, you see, sir. Hello?
It's not that, that means it will be 0.
See, you will get actually, I am telling 2 by 3 matrix. Means what? 2 rows, 3 columns, you will get correct. Then A11, A12, A13. A11 coefficient is what now? 2. A12 is there? No. So x1, y2 coefficient are not there. 2, 1 is different. So A12 is equal to 0. A13 is there? A13.
Say it's 1. Yes, sir.
1.
And what is coefficient?
1.
1. Then come on, second row, 2, 1. Who is 2, 1 coefficient?
Sir, minus 2. Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. A22.
6.
6.
Then A23.
Minus 1.
Now can you form the matrix or not? This is the required matrix. If they give the matrix, if they want to ask actually, bilinear form is what you will do. If this is in our hand, you want to do bilinear form is what? 2 rows means 2x, you can take x1, x2. Then y1, y2, y3. How many rows are there in that row matrix that you can fill? Now you can multiply and see that same matrix is getting back or not. If they give the matrix also, you can able to do how many rows are there, that much of numbers you can take in row matrix. how many columns are there, that much of numbers you can take in column matrix. Correct or not? Now if you multiply means you will go back or not, you see. If you multiply means what, automatically you will get that equation 2x1 y1 x1 y3 minus x2 y1 plus 6x2 minus x2. Getting or not? So any form you can able to do. Reaching or not? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come on. Still above. Now this is given bilinear form. You are coming to the matrix form. Now they will do matrix. You can write bilinear. Write the bilinear on this corresponding matrix. 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 1. So 3 by 3. How many rows are there?
3.
So in row matrix, you can take 3 elements, x1, x2, x3. How many columns are there?
3.
So 3 elements in y1, y2, y3. Then change how you will write this. You can write in the bilinear form is what? X dash a y. That is equal to what? See, without multiplying, can you tell answer? Tell me. How you will get? Tell me. 1 x1 y1, 5 x1 y2 minus x1 y3, 2 x2 y1, 1 x2 y1. Then this is what? 3 second row. Second row means what? x2 y3. This is what? Minus. What will get this element? This position is what?
x3 y1
Very good. This position 0. This position is what?
x3 y3
Over. Now we can tell after multiplication what will get? Tell x1 y1 plus 5x1 y2. This is what?
Minus x1 y3.
y3. Correct? This fellow
2x2 y1. No.
2x2 y1
2x2 y1
plus
1x2 y2
plus
1x2 y3 3x2 y3 3x2 y3 x2 y3
minus.
minus x3 y1
Okay, leave it this fellow. This fellow plus
x3 y3 plus 1 x3 y3.
What is that? Now no need to just x3 y. Now we can just, you are familiar or not? Now write directly. If you want, multiply and see whether the same thing you are getting or not. Fast, come on.
Sir, A12 is 5, right?
Huh?
A12 is 5, right?
Yeah. 1, 5 minus 1. So if you multiply, what you will get from this actually? Second row, second column. Check. What are written right or wrong? Check. Just elements I am giving the suffix for actually A11 means what? A11 coefficient, this X1, Y1 I am giving. I think 114 new student joined. Is there inside the classroom? 114. Quadratic form. See, bilinear form means what? Order we cannot, any order can get, but quadratic means what? Both homogeneous, x and y are same actually. Here also x1, x2, x3 means there also I want to take x1, x2, x3. Then order should be square matrix only. You cannot get rectangular matrix. Before that using 2 by 3 you got. So quadratic we cannot. A homogeneous small second degree of any number of variables is called quadratic form. So you may have like this actually. X1 square you will have. Then A11, X1, X2 because both are same. Then A13, X1, X3, so on A, N, Xn, that is A1N, X1, Xn. Then similarly what you will get? A21 means what? X2, X1. A22 means what? X2 square you will get. So on. A2n means what? X2, Xn. Then similarly plus nth row you will get. An1 means what? X1, Xn. X1. So on. Ann means what? Xn square. Same elements actually. Quadratic means what? Both side x only. Previously I taken x and y different linears. Both linears are same actually. This is also x only variable. There is x. So I will get quadratic. new things can you able to find out? Tell me. Same elements here, x1, x2, x3, xn. Say there also x1, x2, x3, x4, x1. Then A12, what you will get? X1, x2. Correct? Huh? A12. Similarly, A21, what you will get? X2, x1. These two are same or not? Say same or not? Sorry, x dash ax. Sir, A12 is what? X1, x2. A21 is what? X2, x1. There also x1, x2. There also x2, x1. So same coefficients are same or not? I am asking.
So coefficients are not same.
Same. Same you will get. Same x1, x1. No. Same thing only you will get. We both you can add actually. X1, x2, x2, x1 same you know. Can you add to only one x1, x2 only you will get. The coefficients are maybe not same, but x1, x2 means what? One x1, x2 I can both can I add or not?
Yes, sir.
So if only one x1, x2 get. If I have one x1, x2 means what? While writing the matrix, what I will take? Divided by 2. 2 places I will split actually. Maybe as he said is correct. Maybe coefficients are not same. Maybe by equation if I adding quadratic form, big quadratic form if I write means what? A1 to x1, x2. Then A2, x1, x2. Because these two coefficients are same, I will get x2, x1 is equal to what I will get? A12 plus A21. Some constant I will get or not? Some number I will get or not?
Yes, sir.
So, while giving the, suppose if they give the, what is that? Biley quadratic form means what? Suppose if you see anywhere x1, x2 means what you will understand? That is two elements sharing part actually. If you see x1, x2 means what? Inside A11 also there, A21 also there. So that element I will take divided by 2. Both places I will adjust. Half part here like this. Correct? Huh? Suppose if they give the quadratic form is what? I will half I will do. While doing the problem you will understand. Just copy down. Diagonal parts only you will get square. A11 x1 square, A22 x2 square, like this you will get. And the quadratic of the form should be symmetric actually. Symmetric means what? First row, first column same. So same elements you will get. What is the symmetric matrix? How can you write? 1, 2, 3 means what? 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 7. Now you see, first row is what? First column. Second row, second column. This fellow is what? A12. This is what? A21. Symmetric means what? These two elements same. These two elements same. These two elements same. This is diagonal. You get squares actually. So quadratic form should be. Matrix is what? Symmetric. They also divide by 2, divide by 2, I am telling. Now come on. You can tell me now. Share above. Copy it. Sir, copy it. Hello?
Yes, sir.
matrix of a of the quadratic form must be symmetric. Otherwise, we make a symmetric by defining new matrix B as follows. By 2 we do, if we do by 2 means what, automatically it will become symmetric. What I said, divide by 2 you can do, A equal half of you can do Q. Now come on, write the matrix form of the quadratic form. Write the matrix form. Now they are giving quadratic. Come on. This quadratic form is very important, sir. Now this is form given. X1 square, X2 square, X3 square means what? 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix, third order, okay, yeah. Now, diagonal elements are what? Square coefficients are all are diagonal elements. So, A11 is 2, A22 is -2, A33 is 4. Now, 1, 2 means how can you write? A12 is equal to A21 is equal to 2 by 2. Correct, sir? Clear? 1, 3, how can you write actually? A13 is equal to A31 is equal to -6 by 2. That is -3. 2, 3, how can you write? A23 is equal to A32 because symmetric. Now write matrix form. How you will write? A11 is what? 2. Then A12 is what? 1. A13, what is the value A13? What is A13?
-3.
So, if you fill the first row, immediately you can write first column, same thing you will get. If you want, you can check.
Sir, please explain again how did we take A12 and 21 as one?
Because symmetric matrix, same thing you will get. First row, what is the first row? First column you will get. Because x1, x2 is what? 2 times you will increase. What it told? If you divide by 2, means what? Make it symmetric. Quadratic form is what? 99% it should be symmetric matrix. Otherwise, we make it symmetric. We don't know what is the element. I will give an example. You know, x1, x2 coefficient may be one fellow. Then x2, x1 is one fellow. If we add both two, means what? Only x1, x2, one coefficient will get. That you can make divide by 2. Equally can do. If it is symmetric, means what? Same element you will get. What is the first row? What is same first column you will get. The half
Okay,
of
sir.
you can take.
Okay, sir, got it.
Then 2, 2 is what? What is 2, 2? What is A22?
minus
-2.
Then 2, 1,
3.
3, yeah.
yes sir.
A21.
Sir, A21 you have already filled.
No, 2, 3, sorry. You have to write 2, 3 here. 2, 3 is what?
3.
3. Then what is second row? Second column, same thing you will get, no doubt. Then what is the diagonal element? A33 is what? 4. If you want, you can check getting or not.
Yes.
If you want x1, x2, x3, if you give the same matrix, if you multiply again, you will go back there. Okay. Take another example and do. I will give this. You can tell at least. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now I will give another form. We can make it a fastly matrix. Come on. Ten x1 square plus 2x2 square plus 5x3 square plus 6x2 x3 minus 10x3 x1 minus 4x1 x2. Now who is A11? A11.
10, sir.
10.
10.
A22.
2. 2.
A33.
5.
Anyway, you will get 3 by 3 matrix. Then A12 is equal to A21. What is the value?
Minus
4 by 2.
Very good. Minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Correct?
Minus 2.
Then, yes,
Equal to minus 2.
minus 2. Then A23 is equal to A32. What is the value?
3. 6 by 2.
Then A31 is equal to A13 is equal to what? Okay, now fill the matrix 10. Who is A12 minus 2? Then A13 minus 5. What is the first row? Same thing you can fill. Then what is the diagonal? 2. Then A23. What is A23? Then A33. Check. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Because symmetric
sir.
matrix means what? Once if I know first row, immediately I am filling first column. If I know second row, second column I am filling. Correct? Otherwise, you can check. If you want the same thing, you'll get. You don't want follow my method, means you can do each and each time you can write. No problem.
Sir, in the exam also we have to write this much only.
Yes. Who knows actually? First this you can write. Then immediately you can write.
Okay, sir.
After completing that, nobody will find out how you are done. Correct or not? Unless otherwise, if you go and tell I have done this method like this. Once if the answer, if you write this, how you know? But you are mentioning, you know, A12 you are mentioning, A21 mentioning, A23 mentioning, A32 mentioning, 3113. What is there? Chandrababu?
Yes.
See, write the quadratic form for corresponding matrix following the symmetric matrix 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. Given matrix is asking quadratic form. So what you will do? X1, X2, X3. This matrix you can do 0, minus 1. You have to multiply 1, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. X1, X2, X3. Can you able to tell what you will get? See, blindly I will write 0x1 square plus x2 square, 3x3 square. Then minus, this place is what? 1 comma 2. Minus minus twice. So minus 2x1, x2. This is what? 1, 3. 1, 3 means what? 2 times 4 x1, x3. Then another term which where I am missing this term. This is already filled, this is 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 filled. This is what actually 4. This position is what? 2, 3. So
At x2 is x3.
by 8. But you have to multiply and see ethical get. Depends on marks. If it is MCQ means you can attack directly entrance examines. If it is you have to solve means what? First row, first column, then add, you will get finally will reach that stage. Big multiplication. Correct? Same thing, correct? Written or not? X2 square, 3x3 square minus 2x1 x2 plus 4x1 x3 plus 8x. No, okay, good. 99% it won't go mistake. Correct, sir? Okay, then again 3:15 I have another class. I will stop here. Give attendance 71,
Yes, sir. Present.
72,
Present, sir.
73, 73. Not there. 74,
Present, sir. Sir, in
75.
the assignment, I had doubt in fourth question.
What doubt?
Sir, in the fourth question, I am not able to diagonalize the matrix.
I will see and tell you. Wait. Okay. 75,
Thank you, sir.
Present, sir.
76. Nobody is done it. Only you only got. Everyone completed means you have to do. 76, 77, 78,
Present, sir.
79, 80,
Present, sir.
81,
Present, sir.
82, 82,
Present, sir.
83,
Present, sir.
84, 85,
Present, sir.
86,
73 present, sir. Network issue.
70.
3, sir.
Okay, 85. 85 no only said like
Present,
that.
sir.
86. 87.
Present, sir.
88. 89.
Present, sir.
90.
Present, sir.
91. 92. 93.
Present, sir.
94. 95.
Present, sir.
96.
Present, sir.
97.
Present, sir.
98.
Present, sir.
99.
Present, sir.
100. 101.
Present, sir.
102. 103.
Present, sir.
104.
Present, sir.
105.
Present, sir.
106.
Present, sir.
107.
Present, sir.
108.
Present, sir.
109.
Present, sir.
110.
Present, sir.
111.
Present, sir.
Yeah. What?
88%, sir.
88. Okay. 113.
Present, sir.
Sir, 112 present, sir.
Okay. 112 present. 113 present. 114. Is not joined, I think so. Then 5401 series, I think so. 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20. 20.
Sir, 102 was present, sir.
20. 21. 22.
Present, sir.
23.
Yes, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
Yes. 27. 28.
Present, sir.
Okay. See this 2000 series 76, 77, 79, 84, 86, 91, 92, 94, 100, 114. Then 5401 series 20, 21, 27. Anyone is there?
Sir,
Yes.
20 present, sir.
20. Yeah.
Sorry.
What I mean?
Sorry, sir. I'm not feeling high fever.
Okay. Then anyone is there? 76, 77, 79, 84, 86, 91, 92, 94, 100, 114. Okay. Yeah? Right, sir. Okay, bye.
Sir, I had a question actually.
What?
So I had a question.
Tell me.
What is the last date for the assignment, like the deadline?
Last week?
Last date for the assignment.
Not getting. Last?
Last date for the assignment, sir.
Sir, you can submit, sir. After completing the syllabus, I will tell you. Don't worry. If you complete the syllabus, otherwise, if I am not complete, leave. After completing the syllabus, 2-3 days, I will announce you. Don't worry about syllabus.
Okay.
That is the assignment.
Okay, sir.
Do. If you complete, complete. Otherwise, you can wait. If you complete, also you can wait. After I am announcing 2-3 days, also you can submit. No problem. Okay. But
Okay.
what this first assignment only, second assignment not like this. We see. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
74.
Hello, sir.
Sir, 84 present, sir.
84 present.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing, sir, when I'm calling you?
Sir, in the upcoming cycle test,
Yes.
we will have only problems to solve, no theory partner.
No, still we don't know because the coordinator has to decide. Maybe MCQ, I don't know actually what they will ask. Maybe GCR means Google Classroom means maybe MCQ only, I think so. Otherwise, sometimes upload they will go. Initially we done upload, but now what they have decided, I don't know.
Sir, because in the textbook that you gave, they had theoretical questions also that define Cayley-Hamilton theorem.
Yeah. Maybe MCQ like this they will ask. We don't know still actually.
Okay,
I'll ask and tell you next class.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.